Hello! Today we'll discuss some Russian letters that may cause you troubles in pronunciation. Let's start with the consonants zh and z. Zh resembles the French je, like in the words bonjour, jouer, étrange, zh. And z sounds the same as the English z, like in the words zoo or zebra, z. When I explain these letters to my students, I would usually compare zh to the sound of a flying beetle, zh, zh, and z sounds like a mosquito, z, z. Actually, zh even looks like a beetle itself, and in Russian, a beetle is zhuk. Let's move on. The next letter is ha. It sounds pretty similar to the H sound in English, only pronounced with a little bit more effort. Ha. More effort than the English h, but less effort than, say, the Spanish h. Please repeat after me. Ha, ha, ha. Actually, in Russian it means laughter. Ha, ha, ha. The next letter is ts, like in the words tsar or pizza. T. Letter ch, like in the words choose, chair, change. Ch. Letter sha, like in the words shoes, share, show, sha. And this letter is sha. The trick is that it is pronounced like the two previous letters, sha and che, going one after the other. Try it out and repeat after me. Sh, ch, ch, cha. When you pronounce it faster, you will get the sound sha. Sha. Awesome job! I hope I made it clear for you how to pronounce these letters. And the next time, we'll break down a couple more.